So here's our finished product. As you can see guys, okay naman siya. Okay ang kinalabasan niya. So you can dip this direct on some sauces, curry. Yan. Wow. So if you're familiar with chapati, tortilla bread, this one could be it. So today guys, gagawa tayo ng tortilla bread. Tortilla bread using a wet butter mixture. Instead of dough, we're gonna make the wet butter. So I have here 1 cup AP flour, all-purpose flour. And saktong-sakto to, lalo na ngayong pandemic. Di mo na kailangan bumili sa labas. Ito tipid tsaka mabilis. And it's very easy to make. So using the same cup, I'm gonna put same ratio of water. There you go. Water. And then a dash of oil. At least teaspoon. You can also put sugar. Siguro lagyan natin siya ng a teaspoon na rin. Yan. Tablespoon to eh. So 1 tablespoon, 3 teaspoon yun. Equivalent. And then we're gonna put some salt also. And for the taste. And that's all. We're gonna mix this one. Just rest this guys for about 5 to 10 minutes para mag-incorporate lahat ng mga ingredients, and we're gonna start cooking later on. So guys, here we are. Yan na, preheated pan. I can feel the temperature already na mainit na siya. So just get spoon, big ladle, and then all over lang. If you have a non-stick pan, it's better. So kita nyo siya guys, naluto na siya agad. It's very fast. Hintayin nyo lang. Ito medyo makapal pa yung ginawa ko. But if you can make a thinner, it's better. So yan na siya. Wow. See? That's tortilla bread, man. If you have onion legs, you have fresh herbs, you can chop that one. You can also mix it in the butter. It will give a boost on the taste. Yeah, so this will be the replacement of your normal dough. Yan, medyo nagbo-burn na siya. If you have the flat one, mas okay yun. And then i-ano mo lang siya, i-flatten mo lang. The thinness you can make better. If you want medyo makapal-kapal, no problem also. So I'm sharing this recipe to you guys. Pag minsan wala na kaming time, pag maramihan yung gawa sa work ko before, like years ago, this is what I do. See? Very easy to make. Then you can flatten this one para maluto talaga totally yung loob. Kasi minsan umaangat yan eh. So the fire will be full, ha? Kung ano yung pag mga gantong normal na gas range lang, kung ano yung pinakamalakas yun na apoy. Pero pag mga wok na gamit nyo, eh sobrang lakas na nun. See? Wow. Same as the dough. So guys, everyone can make this one, and it's very easy. If you have a curry, like there's kinds of different kinds of curries, from chicken to mutton to beef to fish. Ito is the best alternative. If you don't have time, you can make this one. See? Tcharam! Wow, ganda ng kulay. But for me, if I have chives or fresh oregano, fresh thyme, or you have onion onion leaves, you can mix it on the butter. I don't have it right now, so we're gonna make the plain only. Ito, sarap isaw-saw sa mga salsa, shawarma, if you wanna make tortilla bread. Yeah. See? Wow. Diba? It's very easy. So, better try this, guys. The 1 cup I use, nakagawa ko ng mga 5 pieces na bread, flat bread. So, especially yung mga OFW natin, yung mga ibang kapos walang pambili ng tinapay, you can make this one. Pwede nyo siyang isawsaw sa sarsa, alternative sa kanin. Pwede nyo rin siyang gawing sandwich. Marami siyang purpose. Marami siyang pwedeng paggamitan. So, better try this, guys, and hope this recipe helps. So, these are finished product. And thank you for watching. Just leave a comment if you've done this recipe. This is the fastest na way to do the dough, the bread, flat bread. But for me, I'd prefer the classic one, the normal process na gagawa ka talaga ng dough. But this is the easiest and fastest way to make the bread. Wow. So for me, this like 9 to 10. Kung meron kang kaldereta, sausaw mo lang yung munggo. You have chicken curry, pwede mo sausaw yung sauce. You have eggs, you can put also. Nice. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave some comments and give me a feedback on this if you made this recipe. Okay, thanks.